Today I will show you how to get Striped virtual cards, so first log into your Stripe with your verified account. Now head over to search bar and type in issuing, click on it, get started. Now you will be asked to create a card holder. So here's some details, so let's click on create card holder. Put on your first name, last name, your country, contact information, the email, the number, the state and the city. Add your government photo, ID, like verify the identification card or passport, and click on Create Hold. Now get back to this, and let's go back here. Click on Cards and just type in this blue button, Create Card Holder, select the card holder, virtual or physical, and just type in your information, and you should be good to go to get your virtual card or physical card. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.